My prince, where art thou?
Sup, babe?
Oh, you're cuter than I thought.
I'm so glad I brought this wind machine. My hair looks great.
He's so dreamy.
Giddy up, boy. I'm coming up.
Oh, right. I don't have long hair. Hold on. I can use these bedsheets. Catch!
Great idea.
This is it, my very own prince!
Ugh, I wish there were stairs. Hey.
He's so romantic.
Mwah.
Your lips are so soft. Fluffy? Oh, it was just a dream. But what a dream. Hey, what's your problem? Wait a minute. My magic diary! I can write it down in this. Jake, my handsome prince.
Huh? Where am I?
Whoa! It actually worked!
Hey, how's things, m'lady?
This is a dream come true! Isn't it, Fluffy? Fluffy? Where did he go?
Who?
I need to watch this video later. What am I sitting on? What's this? It must be someone's notebook. Is this yours? No. What about you? Shh. I'm studying. Fine. What's she writing?
Shh. Quiet, class.
Oh no.
Homework! Hand it in! Who will be my first victim? Mickey!
No!
Get ready for detention!
Please, no! I can explain! Someone help me! Please! Hello? Police? Superheroes? Anyone? Uh-oh. Where does she go? Ah! Stay back! No! No!
I'm going to enjoy this!
It was an honest mistake! Oh, look at that! It's a miracle!
It suddenly got a little windy.
What the… Oh, the diary! Why is there a picture of me?
I'm gonna fail you!
Don't come any closer! There's only one thing for it. I hope this works!
Gotcha! What's happening?
Where am I?
Now this is what I'm talking about! Ring the bell!
Come at me, old lady!
I need to get out of here. Oh, come on! This isn't any better! What's next? Am I a cowboy? Ah! I don't like this! I hope this parachute works! Wait! I'm back in the classroom? I'm alone. Where's the teacher?
Too easy!
Phew! Wow, look at that! They're so glamorous! We should totally try that look. Let's do it! We look amazing! I love this outfit! This is so much fun! Woohoo! I wish we were models. We'd have so many fans. La 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 la! We'd have so many free clothes! Let's dance! Whoa! Mandy! Are you okay? I'm okay. It was just my head. Wow, that's different. I have an idea! This'll be amazing! Please come true! Whoa! I'm a model! Look at this dress! Let's work it! They love me! Out of my way! I'm your biggest fan! Okay. I'm so lucky to work with such talented designers. This is hard work. I need some food.
Mandy, over here!
No pictures! Ugh, they never leave me alone. It's too quiet in here. Hello, Mandy. Smile. What a horrible nightmare! I better get back to sleep. Huh? Oh, I hate this! Ah! Can't you leave me alone? Ah! Ow! My head. Are you okay? Where's the diary? What are you talking about? What diary? It must be around here somewhere. Wait, it wasn't real? It's not fair. Oh. Hi, Alex.
Hey, girls. Looking good.
I know. He is so cute.
Oh, hey, Mickey.
Oh my gosh, he knows my name! Ha! Look at my gum! Hey, Mickey! He is so dreamy! I'm too nervous to talk to him.
Don't be.
Hey, Alex!
Move. What?
You've either got it or you don't.
It's not fair!
Are you okay? And I thought you had good taste. Mandy, you have to help me. Fine. Let me write in my diary. You're the best! Let's have some fun! What are you doing? Just wait. I don't get it. What? It'll be okay. Whoa! What did you do? Okay, this might have been a mistake. Woo! But I saw him first!
Let's dance! Oh yeah!
Woohoo! Go, Chris! Go, Chris! Why would you do this to me? I never knew this would happen.
Sup, girls? This is my song!
Oh, hi! No! Take the hint! Unbelievable!
I'm trying.
Hey, wanna hear a secret? I've got the magic diary! Look at Mandy! La 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 ooh wee! I'm a great singer! She's not. She thinks she is. Let's have a little fun. Maybe she should have a makeover. I always thought she would suit a mustache. La la la, singing my song. She looks ridiculous! Let's do something else. A nice big red nose. Ooh yeah! Ooh sha la la la. This is so funny! What's next? Let us know in the comments. A magic diary sure would be useful. Mickey was definitely having some fun. What do you think she should do next? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.